The reward of suffering is experience. This quote is about how suffering can serve as a valuable teacher in life, providing us with the experience needed to better handle difficult situations in the future. Perhaps the most important lesson learned through suffering is empathy, as we gain a deeper understanding of the struggles of others and can relate to them more easily. Additionally, suffering often requires us to develop resilience and perseverance, helping us to develop the inner strength needed to deal with challenges in life. Overall, this quote reminds us that even though suffering is difficult to endure, it can ultimately provide us with invaluable life lessons. What is a time when I faced a difficult or painful experience? What was the experience like, and what did I learn from it? Have I ever been able to help someone else going through a difficult time because of my own experience with suffering? How did this make me feel? Are there any current challenges or struggles in my life that I could potentially learn from? And if so, how can I approach these difficulties with a growth mindset?